Introducing a new era of evolution in Indian trucking. The Rhino range of EV trucks, India's first heavy-duty EV truck, paving the way to net zero tailpipe emissions. The Rhino 5538EV is a range of prime mover in 6x4 configuration and now also available in 4x2 driveline option, catering to varied application as the prime mover can be coupled to skeleton, flatbed, sidewall, bulker, tip trailer. With 240 kilowatt CCS2 charging compatibility, which charges the battery in just 1 hour. Rhino range comes with an AMT, automated manual transmission gearbox. In the absence of a clutch pedal, the driving is a sheer pleasure. Unique battery swapping technology which would disrupt the EV trucking as the swapping time is just 6 minutes. We welcome you to a new age, the evolution of commercial trucks. The all-new range of EV truck from Montra Electric, the Rhino 5538EV in new avatar. Your prosperity partner, the Green Way, navigating today for a sustainable tomorrow.